you'll never be happy. And deep down, you know it. You scroll, you binge, you complain your life sucks, but you won't stop doing the same shit every day. You think happiness will magically appear once you get more money, a relationship, or when things calm down. Let me slap you with the truth. You are addicted to comfort. You'd rather feel safe than alive. You want the illusion of progress, not the pain that actually builds it. You chase dopamine instead of meaning. That's why you feel empty after hours of scrolling or gaming. You're flooding your brain with cheap hits instead of doing the hard things that actually give you fulfillment. You think your feelings matter more than your actions. But here's the brutal truth. Your feelings are lying to you. They're keeping you small, scared, and stuck. Happiness is not a feeling you chase. It's a side effect of doing hard, meaningful shit that aligns with who you want to become. You want to stop feeling empty? Do one hard thing today that your future self will thank you for. Go to the gym. Work on your business. Study instead of scrolling. Meditate, even if it feels pointless. Happiness will never come if you're waiting to feel ready. It comes when you do the uncomfortable work that your comfort-loving mind keeps avoiding. You'll never be happy until you kill your addiction to comfort. You can keep scrolling, or you can get up and prove to yourself you're not just another coward living for tiny dopamine hits. Your choice. Decide now.